freedom didn't come on the same day for everyone in America. While the Emancipation Proclamation was signed in 1863, it wasn't until June 19, 1865, that the last enslaved people in Texas finally learned they were free. Juneteenth started as grassroots celebrations in Galveston, Texas, where people gathered to mark their long-awaited liberation. These celebrations grew into annual traditions of family gatherings, parades, and community events that have been happening every year since 1865. What's wild is that it took until 1979 for Texas to become the first state to make Juneteenth an official holiday. And it wasn't until 2021 that it became a national holiday, now known as Juneteenth National Independence Day. The holiday represents more than just the end of slavery. It's about the triumph of personal liberty over oppression. Those first celebrations in Texas grew into a nationwide recognition of progress, unity, and the ongoing journey toward equality. Today, Juneteenth reminds us that freedom and justice are worth celebrating together. It's a day that belongs to all Americans, showing how far we've come and inspiring us to keep working toward that more perfect union our country strives to be.